Hello friends, I am Sagar Dudde, a culinary student of DY Patil University of School of Hospitality and Tourism student. Today I am going to show you how to make bread rolls. It's easy recipe and easy to make recipe. We can eat bread rolls with teas or coffee also. So now let's start. So friends, now I am going to show you what ingredients required for bread rolls. The ingredients required are refined flour 250 grams, salt 5 gram, sugar 5 gram, butter 10 gram, oil 10 ml, yeast 7 grams, water 125 ml. Our first step is add 5 gram of sugar in 125 ml water and 7 gram of yeast in 125 ml water and mix it well. In this recipe, we need to show that our yeast and our sugar is equally dissolved in water. If it have some lumps of yeast or sugar in our water, sugar and yeast mixture, our dough going to be not knead well. So make sure that it needs to be dissolved equally. Now you can see our sugar and yeast is equally dissolved in water. Now we will take it side and go to our second step. Our second step is to stir the refined flour. Here we will take 250 grams of refined flour. We will not need this part, so we will discard it. Now we will add 5 grams of salt in it and mix it well. It's our second step. Now we will proceed to our third step. Make the round on the round of flour, refined flour. Now we will add our mixture of yeast, sugar and water onto it. First you add half quantity of your mixture, then we will add full. Now mix it well. Now you can see our 50% dough is ready. Now we need to add butter in it. Make sure that you don't need to add butter on starting stage of dough. Make a hole in our dough and add 10 ml of 10 gram of butter onto it. Mix it well. After adding butter, our dough is going to be soft. After adding butter, you need to mix it well and make a soft dough. Now you all have one question: how can we know that our dough is ready to make a shapes of blazers. Now I will show you how you can know our dough is ready. Let's take the small portion of our dough and check the stickiness of dough. Check the stickiness of dough and then make it. You can see our dough is not ready till because it don't have elastic that we want. So now how can we do now? Then we need to knead the dough for some times, and then we will check our elasticity of dough, and we will take its shapes. Now our dough is ready and it is enough elastic that we want. Now take it for side for 10 minutes in airtight container. So friends, our 10 minutes is done, and I take the for 10 minutes in a airtight container. We are going to make its rolls. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.